Indaba ezowajabulisa kakhulu-ke amakhosi fans. Kaizer Chiefs have finally completed the signing of Stellenbosch FC winger Langelihle Phili. So-ke lo mdlali-ke was one of the top targets-ke kuyo-ke le transfer window. Namaqembu-ke afana nawo-ke i-Orlando Pirates neMamelodi Sundowns were interested in the player. Kodwa-ke amakhosi-ke asegcine sewinile-ke yona-ke le race and-ke akwazi-ke ukuthi ayisecure-ke i-signature yakhe-ke uPhili. Lo mdlali-ke wazenzela lona-ke udumo kakhulu-ke laphana kuma-under 20 as he was part of that team that won i-AFCON. So experience-ke unayo-ke ukuthi kadlaleke khona-ke under pressure and-ke we saw last season ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs were missing that star player owaziyo ukuthi-ke adecide-ke ama-games. Bekhona-ke la bebedinga khona-ke umdlali-ke ozokwazi-ke ukuthi-ke ashowe individual brilliance and-ke abawinele ama-tight games. So this is a big signing for i-Kaizer Chiefs and hopefully-ke umdlali uzokwazi-ke ukuthi-ke adapt-eke laphayana-ke ku-life at Naturena ngoba sazi-ke ukuthi-ke some of the players bayadisappear-ke uma sebefika laphayana because of the pressure.